After the Covishield vaccine gets approval from the vaccine panel, a mega nationwide 2-hour-long vaccination dry run was concluded in 116 districts today. In fact, the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan was himself at the forefront to review preparedness for the possible vaccine rollout in coming days. Harshvardhan reviewed the preparations at Delhi's GTB hospital. Delhi's Health Minister Satyendra Jain too took stock of the preparedness. In Kerala, Health Minister K.K. Shailaja took part in this dry run process. The nationwide dry run was conducted to test the linkages between planning and implementation and to, of course, identify the challenges that it poses. The exercise is aimed to check on end-to-end testing of its adverse effects, its management, IT systems, database management, checking of storage and transportation facilities, deployment of vaccination teams, and, of course, this overall site management. A total of 96,000 vaccinators have been trained across the country, and more than 57,000 participants have also been trained at the district level to carry out this mammoth exercise. The states have now extended the bandwidth of helpline numbers as well.
मेरा देश के लोगों को ये अपील है कि किसी भी अफवाह में ना जाएं। भारत की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में सारे देश के लोगों को कोविड से हर प्रकार की प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से सुरक्षित रखना चाहती है। सबसे प्राइम हम लोगों का क्राइटेरिया अगर है तो वैक्सीन के ट्रायल्स में वो सेफ्टी है, एफिकेसी है, उसकी इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी है और इनमें से किसी भी चीज के ऊपर कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है।
आज वैक्सीन का ड्राई रन किया जा रहा है 3 तरह की हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज में, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल और गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी। दरियागंज में जहां पे हम खड़े हैं एक गवर्नमेंट डिस्पेंसरी है, यहाँ पे ड्राई रन चल रहा है। भी हॉस्पिटल दिल्ली सरकार का हॉस्पिटल है, उसमें भी चल रहा है और वेंकटेश्वर हॉस्पिटल प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल वहां भी चल रहा है। दिल्ली सरकार ने पूरी तैयारी की है, बड़े जोर शोर से तैयारी की है और 1000 के करीब सेंटर हम बनाने जा रहे हैं। 1 लाख लोगों को हम पर डे वैक्सीन लगा सकते हैं।
It was a successful attempt, The dry run went on smoothly, and we had a very good preparation for that. The trial run went smoothly because of that, and because of the population density, there is a chance to spread more spreading of the virus, and because of the spreading, the mortality also will occur. I hope that we will get the good quantity or sufficient quantity. That is the need, sufficient quantity of vaccine, and we are ready to receive that quantity and implement here.
This time it is an app-driven process, IT-driven process. So CoWIN app, so functionality is being tested, and you would be very happy to know that the first case when we did the dry run, after first a person, vaccinator 1 will check up his identity, vaccinator 2 will see whether he is already registered. Then he goes to the observation room. Once we assume that he has been given vaccination, in the CoWIN map it is typed as yes button. The moment it is done, his cell, the reply, congratulations, you have successfully got the first dose. That message, that was tested.
Once people are coming in after checking their IDs, after checking all the protocols, they would be coming in here. These foot markers have been put across so that there is proper social distancing which can take place. And then, there is a person, you can see the mock run which is going on. Health workers' IDs are being checked, and only then they would be allowed to go inside this waiting room for which you can see right at the beginning. Then there is vaccination officer 2 who is going to match all the credentials, note down the names. Post you are done with that check, the vaccination room where actually the vaccine process is going to take place. The vaccination is going to take place once the people come here. This is where the doctors are going to vaccinate the patients. The jab would be given to them, and after taking the jab, that's the waiting room where people, in fact, are going to be sitting.
At the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital in Chennai, what we're seeing is that there is a special camp that is being put up for the dry run of the vaccine, the Covaxin that is being there. And what we're seeing here is there are two gentlemen sitting in the vaccinated officer number 1 booth, where one person will be verifying the list of beneficiaries who are coming in. The details will be verified, and after that there will be a person who will be checking the temperature of the person who are coming in and simultaneously providing sanitizers as well. And as the beneficiary enters in, what we will be seeing next is that there is a second waiting room. Here again there is a vaccination officer who will be guiding the beneficiaries who are coming here as to what should be the steps taken. They will have to be waiting here till the person prior to them gets vaccinated. You can see that those people who have been vaccinated will be waiting here with the prescribed booklets just to ensure that if they're having any kind of discomfort, they will have to immediately report that, and they will be taken to the adjacent Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital, which is here. There are multiple locations where this drill is happening simultaneously, and this effort is to ensure that on the day when actually this entire vaccine will be administered, the entire process will be smooth. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
So it's a big day in the country. Dry runs for the vaccination of COVID-19 are taking place. Here in Kashmir and Srinagar also, we are seeing that the dry runs have started. There are health officials who have started conducting this entire exercise. Let's just try and speak to one of them and try and understand how it will go on. This is Dr. Qazi Harun. He's the in charge here. Dr. Saab, how does this work? Why is the dry run being conducted?
This is part of the nationalized dry run for the introduction of COVID-19 vaccination in India. We have identified 3 districts in Jammu and Kashmir: Jammu district, Srinagar district, and Kulgam district. God forbid if there is an acute event, adverse event following immunization, a SN cup or something. For that there are couch, there is an IV line, and most importantly we have a set of adverse event following immunization kit in place. We have been working very hard from last 3 months. The trainings are going on, the infrastructure revision is going on, the cold chain revision is going on. We have a robust mechanism of cold chain here. We are around 680 cold chain points. And the best part is that we have the vaccine that's going to come is going to be maintained in +2 to +8 degrees Celsius. So we already have the set for cold chain maintenance for that.
Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you.
So those are the details that we're getting from the health officials who are working here. This is an exercise which, however, will be crucial because the bigger campaign is not very far away. With cameraman Tariq Shujaul Haq in Srinagar for India.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.